Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Again, when you think about children's programming in this space, it is to one point.
Container of him making all the decisions. I probably wouldn't choose him as a partner if I had met him now. Really, the core of it all is that I'm carrying this resentful/ick feeling that he pursued me when I was so young. So what if I was mature for my age? Even if
no signal.
Oh, he flipped you off.
Recording. Oh my god, what the? Like, be so for real right now.
Video locked.
I cannot believe that just happened in real life.
Was insulted by the defendant's mother inside the store. Good Lord. The guy... What is wrong with people? My God. Pretty good. Got him on all counts except for one.
Nice. What were all his charges?
Aggravated.
Really? What the f are you doing? Did you have to get in front of me that badly? What a dumbass. What a idiot. And it's new. You just got... Bro, that's a one-way. What are you doing? What the f is... Bro, new car, new driver.
I got the Dashcam. Not a credit, but I got something here.
Oh,
The f was that?
oh, I caught that! You dumbass!
what? Oh!
Hey, I got that on camera if you want it. Pull over.
On to here is the latest. Governor Cuomo has said it's...
To be fair, the bow in question lay in the mud not far away, and he gave it a filthy look, like it was to blame for the whole business. But I fumbled the string, you know, and shot him. Then the woman set to screaming, and, well, answer.
It's okay, Garmin. Save video. Another idiot.
Whoa, this is crazy.
Because normally the maximum amounts of modifications a weapon can have is 3, but if you apply the Last Hope blueprint, for example,
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.